Hello and welcome. Tutorial 7 of the Quick Start Guide. We are going to use the project Change Vector Attributes. You'll find it in the Projects folder. First of all, let's generate it to see how it looks like so we can compare it later when we do our modifications. The vector attributes are subdivided into function blocks, so-called modifiers. We are gonna add a new modifier to that vector group, and that's gonna be the contour object placer. This modifier places objects along a line. If you select a modifier in the list, a roll-up is displayed showing the modifier's attributes. In the contour object placer roll-up, select the geometry trees. Let's see how it looks like in 3D. Let's generate it. And here we go. The trees are in the middle of the road, so we may have to adjust the offset, for example. Let's do that. And let's generate it. Here we go. We have our trees already on the border of the road, just by giving an offset. As you see, that modifier contains other attributes like scale factor, distance variance, standard alignment. That's stuff you can try by yourself. So that was everything for today. See you next time.